Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geography Group. This is the 8th episode of class 10th history, chapter number 3, Nationalism in India. In the previous episode, we discussed about the topic that how the different people from the various parts of the country participated in the non-cooperation movement, but they had different notions of Swaraj. We had the case study of the peasants of Awadh, tribal people of Andhra Pradesh and the plantations workers of Assam. In this 8th episode, we will try to understand or we will try to analyze the economic effects of non-cooperation movement, and then in the end we will try to find out the reason behind the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement. Let's begin. The effects of non-cooperation movement on the economic front, or we can say that the economic effects of non-cooperation movement. Phone goods were boycotted in this moment, as we have discussed earlier, that soon the non-cooperation movement was also turned into the Swadeshi movement. People boycotted the phone goods and they began to wear the khadi and they began to use the Swadeshi product. So it affected the phone trade. So that was the first economic effect. Second, liquor shops were also picketed, and that to reduce the, we can say that reduce the income of the British government, because they were getting a large amount from those liquor shops too. Phone clothes were burnt in huge bonfire. It also affected the phone trade, especially in the phone cloths. The import of phone goods and clothes was reduced to 50% between 1921 to 22. So on the economic front, it was a great setback. It was a huge setback for the phone trade, because mainly the British government was earning a lot of amount from the phone trade, and the phone trade was reduced to 50% between 1921 to 1922 due to the non-cooperation movement or the Swadeshi movement. The value of phone goods import reduced from 102 crore to only 57 crore. It was also near about 50%. Merchants and traders refused to trade in the phone goods or finance phone trades. So merchants and traders, these people also refused to do in the phone trade in the phone goods. So that too affected that phone trade, and the production of Indian textile mills and handlooms and khaki went up. So it was like that to be Sanjeevani for the Indian industries. It was a golden opportunity for Indian industries to grow up, and so during this moment, production of Indian textile mills, handlooms and khadi went up. So these were the economic effects of the non-cooperation movement. It was a setback, huge setback for the phone trade or the British government or the colonial government, but it was like that of a Sanjeevani for Indian textile industry, Indian industries, khadi or handloom, etc. Now let's find out the reason behind the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement. That is very very important question. Non-cooperation movement को वापस क्यों लिया गया था? What were the causes of the withdrawal of the non-cooperation movement? It can be asked in the other way too, that why did Gandhiji call of non-cooperation movement? Gandhiji non-cooperation movement को वापस क्यों लिया? Gandhiji felt the movement was turning violent in many parts or many places such as the Chori Chora. Gandhiji को लगा कि this movement is turning violent, especially after the Chori Chora movement. What was the Chori Chora incident? In Feb 1922, at Chori Chora near the Gorakhpur in UP, 22 policemen were burnt alive by people. So in Feb 1922, at Chori Chora, that is near Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh, 22 policemen were burnt alive by the Satyagrahis, the people who were protesting against the British government. Gandhiji was against the use of violence. Gandhiji was not in the favor of use of violence in Satyagraha. He felt that Satyagrahis needed to be properly trained before they would be ready for mass struggle. That's why Gandhiji decided to call off the non-cooperation movement. So इस घटना के बाद, so we can say that the after the Chori Chora incident, Gandhiji decided to call off this moment. So it can be asked in other way too, what do you know about the Chori Chora incident? So in Feb 1922, 22 policemen were burnt alive at Chori Chora in Gorakhpur or near Gorakhpur in UP. Because Gandhiji was against the use of violence in any type of violence in Satyagraha or the movement, so Gandhiji decided to call off this moment. Gandhiji felt that Satyagrahis needed to be properly trained before they would be ready for mass struggle. So after the Chori Chora incident, Gandhiji called off this non-cooperation movement. So चोरी चोरा की घटना के बाद गांधी जी इस मूवमेंट को वापस ले लेते हैं. So in today's session we have discussed the two topics. We discussed the economic effects of non-cooperation movement, and then we discussed about the Chori Chora incident, or why did Gandhiji call off non-cooperation movement. That's all in this session. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.